Hello everyone, welcome to OnPix. Welcome to the daily MCQ session. We are supported by Slocum Technologies, which is providing Java full stack development course. For more details on this course, contact this number or visit their website. For more update, subscribe OnPix. Let's begin our daily MCQs. First question with respect to the Global Innovation Index. And the Global Innovation Index is released by which of the following organizations? Option A, World Trade Organization. Option B, World Bank. Option C, UNWPO, that means World Intellectual Property Organization. And option D, OECD, that means Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Okay, and option C is the right answer, WPO. And UN World Intellectual Property Organization along with the INSEAD and GII Knowledge Partners. GII Knowledge Partners means Global Innovation Index Knowledge Partners, and this GII in India is CII, Confederation of Indian Industries. Okay, GII ranks the 129 economies based on 80 indicators ranging from intellectual property filing rate to mobile application creation, education spending and scientific and technical publications. Education spending and scientific spending and this technical publications. Okay, and India improved its rank by 5 places to stand at the 52. Okay, and world's most innovation economies, and maintained its position as the top exporter of IT services. And this is according to the report. This is about this Global Innovation Index report, which is released by the UNWPO. And comes to the second question. Consider the following statements with respect to the parliamentary committees. Statement 1. These committees either elected by House or nominated by presiding officer of the House. Statement 2. These committees present the reports to the government. And which of the above statements are incorrect? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both, option D none. The first statement is right, second statement is wrong, because it's the committee submits the reports to either to the House or to the Speaker. Committees appointed or elected by House and nominated by presiding officers. Okay, like the Estimates Committee, Public Accounts Committee are elected, and other standing committees are nominated by the presiding officer and works under the direction of presiding officers. These committees are works under the presiding officer and presents the report to the House or the Speaker of the Chairman, but in the question it was given government. Okay, the government is wrong, either to the Speaker of the House or to the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The respective committee submit to the this Speaker or to the Chairman. And fourth is that has the secretariat provided by either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha with respect to their house committees. And parliamentary committees are two types, either standing or ad hoc committees. Standing committees are permanent in nature, and these are appointed periodically, okay, or elected periodically, and a fixed term of period is there for these committees, and they work on continuous basis. Okay, and when comes to this ad hoc committees are temporary in nature, and once the purpose of this committee is over, these committees will cease to exist. Okay, and once the task of this committee which was assigned to this committee was over, and then these committees will be ceased. Okay, and third question. Consider the following statements with respect to the Dhan Vikas Karyakram. Statement 1. It aimed at enhancing the livelihood opportunities for rural poor. And statement 2. Self-help groups are trained and working capital is under this scheme. So that means provided working capital under this scheme. Okay, provided working capital under this scheme. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both, option D none. Okay, statement 2 is correct and statement 1 is wrong. So option B is the right answer. Okay, and Vandan Vikas Karyakram is an initiative of targeting the livelihood generation for tribal population, not to the rural population. In the question it was given rural poor. Okay, for the tribal population by harnessing the wealth of forest, that means the Vandan. Wealth of forest means forest produce, that means minor forest produce. It is called MFP in shortcut. The programming aims to tap into the traditional knowledge and skills of tribal people by adding technology, information technology for upgradation of output at each stage and to convert the tribal wisdom into the remunerative economic activity. Okay, this scheme seeks to promote the leverage leverage the collective strength of the tribal people to achieve a viable scale. Okay, that means under this scheme, this scheme is implemented through this Vandhan Vikas Kendras. Okay, under the Vandhan Vikas Kendras, 10 self-help groups will be provided training and will be given working capital. Each self-help groups contains 30 members. Okay, and these 30 members provided with the training and working capital and to add the value add to their products. Okay, and which they collect from the forest, and they will be able to market their products by working under the leadership of a collector, and not only within the states and states but also outside the states. Okay, they will be able to market their produce after value add to their after the value addition to their products in the state as well as the outside of the states. Okay, and this self-help groups will be provided training under this scheme. Okay, and other important about this scheme is Vandhan Vikas Kendra is dependent upon the area potential and availability of the land to be provided by the state government. Okay, the selection of the place for the setting up of this Vandhan Kendras is depends upon the availability of the land and potential of the area. Okay, that means the forest produce potential means here minus forest produce potential. Okay, and this is about this Vandhan Vikas Karyakram. Next question, consider the following statements with respect to the one-horn rhinos. The one-horn rhinos was in news with respect to the Kaziranga National Park floods, that means Assam floods. Okay, and India is the only natural habitat of it, that means the one-horn rhinoceros. And statement 2, its status is endangered in IUCN Red List. Okay, which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both, option D none. The first statement is wrong and the second statement is also wrong, and the D is the right answer, because great one-horn rhinoceros about 2800 to 2850 individuals are there living in northern India and southern Nepal, and mainly on the floodplains, grasslands, and occasionally in woodland. Okay, and in India they are found in Kaziranga, Orang, Pabitora and Jaldapara in Assam. These are Assam national parks, and Dudhwa, this is in UP, and it has been listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List of threatened species, not endangered. Okay, that's why this second statement is also wrong. Okay, natural habitat is India as well as Nepal. Okay, mostly the Himalayan region of India, and Nepal is the habitat of this rhinoceros. Okay, this is the habitat of this rhinoceros. Okay, question number 5, which of the following committees recommends the digital rupee to replace the all private cryptocurrencies? Option A, Nandan Nilekan Committee, option B, Justice B.N. Krishna Committee, option C, Subhash Chandra Garg Committee, option D, Urjit Patel Committee. Okay, and option C is the right answer, which is recommended recently to create a digital rupee to replace the private or cryptocurrencies. Okay, an Indian government panel wants to criminalize all commercial dealings in private cryptocurrencies. So it recommends the criminalization of all private cryptocurrencies. And the panel headed by the Economic Affairs Secretary Subhash Chandra Garg has suggested to introduce an official virtual currency, that means backed by the government. Till now, the cryptocurrencies in India are backed by the private agencies. So now this committee wants to establish and create a virtual currency which is backed by the government. Okay, and or the digital rupee to replace the private cryptocurrencies and such as bitcoins. Okay, and it is the main aim of this virtual currency is to the official virtual currency is to weed out the private currency from the economy. Okay, and it also prepares a draft bill called the banning of cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill 2019. Okay, this is about the digital rupee, and this is it for day. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe on Pix.